Kira, how old are you? Are you 2 now? Yep.
Go this way. Nice little. You almost got it. What is it?
Do this one, Kira. Do this one.
First.
Hey.
Well, let's see what this one is.
That lasted a
It's hard to
minute.
tell what it is.
It's Pammy's.
Now you can learn to use the potty.
Wow.
Yay.
Yay.
Such a big girl now. You're such a big girl.
Another one.
She's like,
Weird.
It's a story.
What is it?
A story. Let's see. A story. Story. Wow, look at
Grandma
this.
Hammond.
Nice. Wow.
Real, don't take her Minnie Mouse.
Yeah, that's hers.
Okay, let me open it for her.
No, let me open it for her.
Can
You get a story?
I play
That's
with
from
it?
Grandma. Real.
Riel, give it to her. It's hers, not yours.
Okay.
Now do this one, Kira.
Hey, you got one more, Kira. Oh, never mind. You have two
Yeah,
more.
2 more.
I forgot about that one. No, this is her present. Calm down for a minute.
Big girl.
oh, look, I got one and you got one. So nice.
Thank you. These are just my size.
Yeah.
And color, don't forget.
Pull out that paper. It's like, I don't know what I'm doing here. What's in there?
Oh. She's gonna bring that out first.
We love
Let's see which one she chooses.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh!
First one.
There's more in there, Kira.
There's another one.
Wow, here you go.
Oh.
Real.
Wait, she should have one other thing in there. Oh, it's behind you.
Yeah, she got it out already. Oh, you had to put your one baby by
Oh,
your
you
next
like
baby.
that one.
Can you say thank you? Hey,
I'm gonna wrap it
say thank you.
Uh-oh, the head came off.
Uh-oh.
You need
You
some
want me to
help?
put it back on?
The hat. The
No,
hat.
that
Mom.
would be like really
There you go. Don't forget you. Don't forget your
Kara, say thank you.
Don't
No.
do that, you'll break it.
What's
Is
that?
that, you can dress up your dolls, the baby dolls, with that stuff. Do you want to open that? Yeah?
Look at your baby.
We figured you needed a new one because
That one's kind of like a little orphan child.
I think you like them.
these actually came in the box, only we had to take them out of the box.
Yeah.
Oh, they're blankies.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Wow. And you got big girl underwear? That means you have to go potty. You have to go potty in the big girl potty now.
You want me to open it?
Yeah.
Can you open that for Kira?
Yeah.
Kira can, I can put her bow on.
Kira.
Ooh.
Well, she's not going to say bye.
She's like, "Stop me."
Sunglasses. Oh yeah.
Kira, look at me.
How cute are you?